Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with another signal. Our signal is going to be a sell signal on GBPCHF, and without any more time to waste, as always, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are in calendar, as you all can see, currently market is closed, but the seller side was much more stronger than the buyer side when the market closed. And what I'm seeing down here, that the overall economic event impact on CADJPY was much less than GBP. This shows that this currency sooner or later is going to expectedly experience a downfall to the downside. That's why I say our signal is going to be a sell signal. But as always, news are not enough, and we have to head to the chart and analyze it there so we can ensure ourselves that we are going to have a beautiful setup. So let's head to the chart and see what we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you all can see, we are on GBPCHF on 1 hour time frame, and I have seen this channel that the currency has reacted to it several times with the downside of it, and it's going to react to it shortly after the market is open in the future week, and it will experience a downfall to the downside. I have pre-drawn this support zone for you guys, and I have pre-drawn a resistance zone, which is a really important resistance zone from previous weeks. And if the price is going to experience a downfall, we have to actually put our stop loss above this resistance zone. But what I suggest now is that when the market open, you can enter now or you can enter in the next week. And as always, it's up to you when to enter the trade. Whenever you feel it's safe, you can enter the trade and enjoy the ride. And as always, sit back and enjoy the music so I can make this much more beautiful for you guys. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. The most important thing is not what you buy and sell, but when you buy and sell. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. That's it for today's signal, and peace.